Hello everybody, this is Young Bro. Today we are learning how to make the Fragrant Spicy Chicken. Fragrant Spicy Chicken is not a dish from China's Sichuan province. These are the Chinese characters for Fragrant Spicy Chicken, which is called香辣鸡in Chinese. Now let's look at the main ingredients. It's called 主要食材 in Chinese. Firstly, we need chicken legs. That's the most important ingredient of all, which is called 鸡腿 in Chinese. The second most important ingredient is the chili oil, which is called 辣椒油 in Chinese. We also need pepper oil, which is called 花椒油 in Chinese. We then need to put some spring onion, which is called 葱 in Chinese. We also need soy sauce, which is called 酱油 in Chinese. It's probably better to also put some coriander in, which is called 香菜 in Chinese. These are the main ingredients used for this dish. This is the garlic. This is the spring onion. This is the coriander. This is the pepper oil. This is the vinegar. This is peppercorn. This is salt. This is sesame oil. This is soy sauce. These are the peanut ends. This is chili oil. This is ginger. Oops, I nearly forgot to mention one thing. This is the white sesame. It can be added due to your personal preferences. It's optional. Now let's put the chicken into the pan. Put some water in. Make sure there's enough water until submerge the chicken. Now, put the chicken onto the stove. Now we need some gingers. Spread it and put it in. Then turn the stove on. Put the lid on. After it boils, we still need to simmer it for around 10 minutes or so. We probably need 20 minutes for it to boil. We just need to wait patiently. It's been more than 20 minutes. We just turn off the heat and then just simmer it for 15 minutes. And now the chicken is dry. We just turn out the hood, place the chicken into the glass container. Okay, just be very careful. Like this. Now, just get some ice cubes. Be very careful. Place it onto the chicken. Now we're done with the ice cubes. We also need to get some cold water. Wait until the cold water submerges the chicken. And We'll just wait for around 5 minutes. Now the chicken has cooled down. This is the cold dish. We'll just use this to put the chicken onto the cutting board. To pieces. Now just put everything together to make a mixture. Stir it up like this. Now just pour it onto the chicken. To make it look tidier. Delicious. Thanks everybody for watching.